You can do big things. You can put your mark on any industry that you're passionate about. Engineering is baked into my DNA. I used to always want to put hands on things to try to understand how they worked. I was Chief Technology Officer and founder of Diversified Technical Systems. DTS, the primary focus is on developing data recorders and sensors for product testing. We still have a very strong automotive component. You name a car manufacturer, we're there. We have data recorders in space with companies like SpaceX and Boeing, Blue Origin. We've delivered 50,000 sensors to military. That technology ultimately got shifted around into a mouth recorder that the NFL is now using for measuring their head impacts. So we want to be as small as possible and get your data close as possible to the sensor so you can do crazy, crazy things. Mike Beckage is my friend and former business partner for 30 years. He and I met in an engineering materials class. Turned out we both had a little bit of a procrastination problem. That became something to bond over as we turned our papers in late to Dr. Atkinson in the engineering materials class. Pretty quickly, Mike and I then became work partners. And my other partner, Steve, he had just graduated and he came to work. The three of us noticed in each other that we had compatible skill sets. Steve was a mechanical engineer with a business mindset. Mike was an analog engineer. At that time, I had started working on firmware, and I had some digital experience. And so with the three of us, we decided, let's see if we can serve this crash test, dynamic test market. We've done amazing things, and we've touched many lives as we've helped make cars safer and airplanes safer and now space travel and a lot of these things. But I'm really proud of the fact that we could build a team of people that could be just as creative as we were, pull the rope all in the same direction. One of the key goals was we want to build a place where we want to go to work every day. We would often screen for and want to interview and ultimately hire Cal Poly Pomona graduates. When I see Cal Poly Pomona students today, I see creativity, energy, passion, a real desire to go out and do big things and solve big problems. That's really needed in the world right now.